What is going on, guys? I'm Haley, and today we're going to be doing an installation and review of the DD-Box LED light strips. At any point in the video you want to go check these things out, I put an Amazon link down below. Okay, so these are the DD-Box RGB light strips. Okay, so the first thing you see when you open this is going to be the actual bag of the LED light strips themselves. So as you can see, there are 3 of them in here, so 3 of these total. So also there is the power cord and the little control box where you plug the power in and connect the LED lights too. Then there is also some extra double stick tape. Alright, so this little baggie is the mounting devices for these LED light strips. So I'm personally just going to use the adhesive that they have on the back of them. Now it also comes with this little manual that tells you troubleshooting with the actual connectivity of the LED light strips. There's a user manual. It's just a standard remote, but what I would have to note is that it is a black and gray, which I appreciate more than those crappy looking white remotes. I personally like the way the black and the gray look together. It makes it look less cheap. I mean, it is just a standard plastic remote, but the colors do make a difference, so I'm glad they did choose to do a black and gray. And then there is a little Amazon gift card if you leave a review. And something that isn't seen in a lot of these LED light, what these basically are, is they're little connectors if you decide to cut the LED lights. So this is like going around corners. You would put the LED light strip in here, basically reconnect it. There's like little pins down here. 3 of these going around the corners, and there's 3 of just the regular putting back together if you're cutting them. So again, that is not usually seen with these. You usually have to buy them separate. That is a big plus with these. They are very, very, very adamant on Amazon that they're very good with their customer service. That's a big thing with these kind of companies, because a lot of them, they're just cheap little quickly made LED lights from China. It's nice that they're reputable in a sense that they will get back to you as quickly as possible to get the issue resolved. So that is definitely something to be noted. Now, without further ado, let's get into the setup and installation and review of these RGB LED light strips. Alright guys, so this is the TV stand that we're going to be transforming in this video. Right now I am taking the cords out of the Xbox and the Alexa so we can start this transformation. Alright, so I had a little bit of trouble in the beginning in the corners, and my boyfriend had to step in and help me out. We got that sorted out pretty quickly, and then I went into actually installing all of these lights on the TV stand itself. I'm doing a technique where you pull the backing off of it and then press down really hard on the LED light strips so dust does not get in and it has no chance of falling off later in time. This is the finished product. It is very bright, brighter than I would have assumed it would be, and it just looks really, really cool. So this is me trying out the remote and seeing how the different colors respond and how fast it is. Putting it back on the stand, and this is how bright it is, guys, with all the lights off, and this is the finished product. I'm really happy with how this turned out. It really elevated the living room. It just made a really cool effect. Gives more personality when you're watching videos, and it just looks amazing. And this is the app where you can change all of the colors through the app, and then you can also set different modes like a strobing rainbow or just flashing between different colors like you see here. And there's also a timer where you can set the time where the lights turn on and off. And there's also a picture mode where you can set a certain picture and it'll take the colors from the photo and transfer them directly to your LED light strips. But this is the finished product. It honestly looks incredible. I couldn't be happier with how this turned out. Thank you guys for coming along with me in this transformation. If you want to go check out these LED light strips, I did put an Amazon link down below. So there we have it, the DD-Box installation and review. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, it'd be awesome if you could hit that like button. But I've been your review guide, and I'll see you in the next video.